Okay, here's a quick way to create some special angles on the unit circle. We've already created a unit circle. We've already gone over how you get all these special lines, all these special angles, power 6, you go around in 6 and so on. Now, concentrate on the first quadrant, because once you get the first quadrant done, then you can fill in the rest of it just using the signs of the ordered pairs. Okay, now, you're on the unit circle, so you know the coordinates of this point are 1, 0. You know the coordinates of this point are 0, 1. We're going to start up here at pi over 3. And remember, all the denominators are going to be 2. So you have a denominator of 2 everywhere. And what you do is, the numerators are going to be square roots. This is going to be the square root of 1. This will be the square root of 2. This will be the square root of 3. Just count down. Square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3. And then you count back up. Square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3. Once you get the first quadrant done, it's pretty much easy. Now, remember, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then come up here, pi over 3. You start here at pi over 3, then you have pi over 4, pi over 6. They all have denominator 2. The tops are all square roots, because remember, you're dealing really with the Pythagorean theorem. Now, square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2, square root of 2. Square root of 3, square root of 3. Count down, 1, 2, 3. Then you count up, 1, 2, 3, all under square roots. Once you get the first quadrant done, then you can go around and see like, the reference points are still going to be the same, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. So here you're going to have a negative x coordinate, negative 1/2, square root of 3 over 2. Negative x coordinate, negative square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Here, negative square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Here, negative 1, 0. This is going to be 0, negative 1. In the third quadrant, you are dealing with negative x, negative y. So the coordinates of this point are going to be negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Coordinates at 5 pi over 4. Well, that's going to be negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. Coordinates at 4 pi over 3. Well, that's going to be negative 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. Then 0, 1, coordinates at 5 pi over 3. Well, that's going to be positive x, negative y. So you're going to have positive 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. This is going to be positive square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. This will be positive square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Okay? And what we just did, very important, very powerful, what we just did was we made a complete unit circle in radians and we never touched the calculator. Okay? That's what I want you to be able to do. Main thing is, remember, first create your angles, then go in and find the coordinates of these special angles. Alright? Coordinates of this point, 0, 1, coordinates of this point, 1, 0. Once you get the first quadrant done, you got it licked. First quadrant, all the denominators are 2. Then the tops are going to be square roots. You start here, you work your way down. Start 1, 2, 3, all under square root. Then you count back up, 1, 2, 3, all under square root. That's how you create a unit circle from scratch. Okay? You're going to learn that you don't want to do trigonometry, you don't want to do calculus unless you have a unit circle handy. All right? Good luck. Practice this. Go do some math. Thanks.